welcome back to my channel, The Crafting Chemist. Today we are going to be looking at another tutorial for a knitting stitch, this time the seed stitch. So here's basically what it looks like already started, and this stitch utilizes both the knit and the purl stitch. And basically what it entails is kind of like with ribbing where you alternate purl and knit, you are instead of having these straight rows of purl and knitting, you are going to be starting off with basically your first row. You're going to just do alternating knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl all the way across. But then for each subsequent row, you are going to basically be doing the opposite of the stitch that you're doing. So right here, I've got a purl stitch. I've got knit, purl. So what I'm going to do is to accomplish this seed, I'm going to do the opposite. So wherever is a purl stitch, I am going to be doing a knit stitch, and wherever there is a knit stitch, I'm going to be doing a purl. And so basically by flipping around what I am doing for that stitch, it allows for this really cool texture of the seed stitch. And so yeah, that is basically it for how to do a seed stitch. Pretty straightforward. If you do not know how to complete a knit or a purl stitch, please check out my previous videos where I explain how to do them both. And yeah, that's the basics of it. Have a great day, and I hope this helps with your future project. Thank you.